Hello, in this video we'll show you how to reset the oil service interval on Nissan Micra. Resetting the oil service interval can be done with the scan tool or through the dashboard. Here I'll show you how to do it through the dashboard. When we turn the ignition on, we will see it will show here just above the radio. It will show maintenance reminder, so we need to reset that. So in order to reset the oil service interval, we need to press the menu button. These are the options that we go. We press the down button to go to maintenance, and from here now we go to service and reminder to 1 and reminder 2. First we're going to go into service and reset the service interval there. We're going to press the OK button to reset the service. It says set next. Press OK button again, and we can see the service is now due in 30,000 kilometers. Next we're going to go into a reminder 2 because it set a reminder 2 due now at the start, so we're going to reset that. We press OK again, set next, OK again. Now we set it to 15,000 kilometers or something, whatever you want, and that's a reminder 2 due in 15,000 kilometers. The same way you can reset reminder 1. You go again to set next, and then you change the amount of kilometers and you press OK. And that's how you reset the oil service interval on Nissan Micra. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.